It's said that the devil finds work for idle hands, and with illegal quick cash schemes and violent activities being easy distractions for young people, government is ensuring that these young hands are occupied to build life skills and self-esteem and keep the youngsters out of harm's way. And so they arrive at the Jamaica Defense Force JDF headquarters by 8 a.m. Armed with helmets, boots, and recommended garb to match, it's time for a training program that promotes a positive change in attitude while sharpening vocational skills. General construction, welding, auto mechanics.
I'm taking the level of oil in the power steering reservoir.
Plumbing, and electrical installation. Just some of the focus areas under the Citizen Security and Justice Program CSJP's internship program with the JDF at Up Park Camp. CSJP is a crime and violence prevention initiative which builds the overall safety and security of communities. Part of the prevention strategy involves providing an outlet for young people to support themselves and family, rather than turning to accusatory crimes like robbery and violent crimes like murder. And so, in 2012, the CSJP began a partnership with the JDF through a Memorandum of Understanding to offer on-the-job training to hundreds of youngsters. It initially started out as a 6-month program, but based on feedback from participants and organizers, it was extended on about 2 occasions. Over 400 participants are now expected to graduate in December 2013 and receive certificates from CSJP and JDF.
The partnership was born out of the fact that many of the youngsters we observe lack practical experience, and given the current macroeconomic situation, many of them were unable to get jobs.
So, since the JDF has a number of construction projects underway at Up Park Camp and CSJP participants need the experience, the partnership allowed those who are already certified to undertake the required tasks. That leaves room for members of the JDF Engineering Regiment to embark on other projects of national importance. The target group is unattached or at-risk youth, persons in the 20 to 35 age group who are certified by the Heart Trust NTA, have a clean police record, and reside in one of the 50 CSJP communities.
The overall objectives of the program is really to improve the employability of the youngsters. But critically for us also is the improvement in their social skills.
The CSJP also pays a stipend and provides the safety gear for the youngsters, while the Army representatives supervise the participants and the execution of their tasks.
They will come in and whatever it is that their tasks are, or their supervisors will pass on to them, they will do whatever that is for the day. And even if they don't know what to do, they'll be coached and told what to do. And eventually they acclimatize, or they manage to simulate it, and it works for them in the long run.
One of the good things about this CSJP JDF program is that the participants are being cross-trained, allowed to develop a multiplicity of skills. As part of the crime-fighting strategy, the government has been focused on improving the relationship between the citizens and security personnel, building trust, and reminding persons that a safer Jamaica requires the input of all citizens. Now, through the CSJP program, that relationship is being bolstered as the participants have one-on-one interaction with the soldiers.
Interacting with the soldiers, them, when they are on duty on the road, they are totally different from over here. So, getting to know them, they are human beings as well.
Some program participants who had no intention of being in the military even exceeded their individual expectations and decided to apply for a job.
Recruiting has taken place, and you must recognize that the recruiting process for the Jamaica Defense Force is an open process. It is not limited to any individual or group. So even if these individuals were not a part of this program, they could have applied to become a part of the JDF anyway.
A lot of my friends came on the program with not the interest of being in the army. They weren't exactly thinking in that area, but since we've been here, our mentality has changed so much that we have now seen the need to go in the army.
Those friends have since graduated from the JDF training program and are now officially soldiers.
Right now, I want to tell you I'm an all-rounder, right? Because I realize when I'm home, there's no challenge too hard for me to fix it. You understand? So right now I'm a local Mr. Fix It.
Before I came here, I wasn't able to wire a house. Now I'm able to climb posts and stuff.
I was mostly worked on cars and stuff, but now I'm working on being able to work on the trucks and the tractors. I've learned a little more technicality and more teamwork.
My plans of complete this program is trying to go out there, make myself more marketable and get a job that I can take care of myself and family.
The Ministry of National Security through CSJP and the JDF, transforming the lives of unattached youth to enhance their vocational skills and promote positive behavioral change. It's all part of the broader strategy to beef up social intervention programs, creating opportunities for youngsters while keeping them out of harm's way. This will in turn lead to improved security and safety in communities across Jamaica, allowing the government to fulfill Strategic Priority 3 for the financial year.